Now, in this subdivision, Rohi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. That is some distance by train and some distance by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. Now you know that time taken is equal to distance by speed. Now total time taken is equal to time taken by train plus time taken by bus. Now you know that the time taken is equal to distance by speed. We have assumed speed of the train as x km per hour and speed of the bus to be y km per hour. So they have given two situations. We will do one by one. In the first case, total time taken is, they are telling she takes 4 hours. So we will put 4 there. 4 is equal to time taken by train is given by distance by speed. The distance travelled by train is 60 km by speed of the train is x. If total distance travelled is 300 km and distance travelled by train alone is 60, what is the distance travelled by bus? That is the remaining, which is going to be 240. Remaining 240 kilometers is travelled by bus and the speed of bus is y. So this gives the time taken by train and this gives the time taken by bus. So we will keep this as 1. Now the second case is, she takes 10 minutes longer. 10 minutes longer means 4 hours plus another 10 by 60 minutes. That is going to be 4 1 by 6 hour. When you make it improper, you will get 25 by 6 hour. So we have 25 by 6 equal to. Now she is traveling 100 km by train. So it is going to be 100 by x. And the remaining 200 kilometers she is going to travel by bus. So the time taken by train plus the time taken by bus now is 25 by 6 hour. Now we are going to substitute. Let us put 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y equal to b. So we will have 60a plus 240b equal to 4. Now both are divisible by 4. Throughout we are going to divide by 4. So we will get 15 4s are 60. So 15a plus 60b equal to 1. We have just simplified into the general form. We have reduced it into a linear equation into 2 variables. Now taking the second one, you can divide by 25 throughout. When you divide by 25 throughout, you will have 1 by 6. 25 divided by 25 will become 1, that 6 alone will remain, equal to, when you divide this by 25, you will have 4 by x plus, then when you divide this by 25, you will have 8 by y. Now taking 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y equal to b, and taking this 6 to the other side, we will do 1 by 1. 1 by 6 is equal to 4a plus 8b. Now take this 6 to the other side, we will have 1 equal to taking the 6 to the other side, we will have 1 equal to 24a plus 48b. So we have 24a plus 48b equal to 1. This is your second equation. Now we are going to solve both the equations, find value of a and b, and using that we are going to find the values of x and y. Now we have two equations finally. We are going to eliminate one of them and find the value of a and b. So the LCM of 60 and 48 we will find out, or we will find out the LCM of 15 and 24. You know that the LCM of 15 and 24 is going to be, when you divide by 2, 15 comma 12. Again when you divide by 2, it is 15 comma 6. Again when you divide by 2, it is 15 comma 3. Now by 3 you are going to have 5 comma 1. Then again by 5 you are going to have 1 comma 1. So 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 16 to 2 is 120. So the LCM is going to be 120. So to get 120, you have to multiply 15 by 8. So I am going to multiply the first equation by 8. And to get 120, I have to multiply the second equation by 5. So 15 into 8 is 120. 120a plus 8 6 are 48. So we have 480b equal to 8. Now second equation, 24 into 5 is 120. 48 into 5 will be 240 equal to 5. Now we are going to subtract, changing the symbol. This will get cancelled. So 480b minus 240b is going to be 240b is equal to 3. Then b value will be 3 by 240, that is 1 by 80. Now we have found b value. Substituting this in any one of the equations, we are going to find a value. We have 24a plus 48b equal to 1. 24a plus 48 into 1 by 80 equal to 1. Now dividing both by 8 table, we will have 6 8s are 48, then 10 times, then again 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. So we have 24a plus 3 by 5 equal to 1. 24a equal to 1 minus 3 by 5. 1 minus 3 by 5 is 2 by 5. Now you take this a to the 24 to the other side. So you will have a is equal to 2 by 5 into 24. 1 time 12 times. So a is going to be 1 by 5 into 12, that is 60. Now we have found both a value and b value. We are going to substitute. We initially started by telling 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Now 1 by x is equal to your a value, that is 1 by 60, and 1 by y is equal to your b value, that is 1 by 80. Since the numerators are equal, denominators also will be equal. So your x value is 60 and since numerators are equal here, denominators also will be equal. Y value will be 80. Now speed of train is 60 km per hour. Speed of bus is equal to 80 km per hour.